the main differences between an OTTO engine and a WANKEL engine is that a OTTO engine uses pistons which move linearly inside of each cylinder, and the linear motion generated by the pistons transforms into rotational motion by a crankshaft. And on the other hand, a WANKEL engine doesn't have a crankshaft. Instead, it uses an eccentric shaft. And instead of pistons, what it uses is triangular rotors, which rotate and generate purely rotational motion. An OTTO engine, it has a lot of moving parts, and that generates friction, and friction directly causes mechanical losses. A WANKEL engine is way simpler mechanically, but sealing and thermal control are more complex than an OTTO engine, and that is mainly because on top of the triangular rotors there is apex seals, which try to separate each chamber from each other, but sometimes a little bit of oil slips through one of the chambers into the combustion chamber, and that also ignites the oil as well as the mixture, and that makes a funny smell, which you can notice pretty much every time you see a rotary engine working on a car. It is true that an OTTO engine is lower on power to weight ratio, but a WANKEL engine, as I mentioned before, is less efficient due to those apex seals. It is true that pretty much the main difference is that a WANKEL engine uses two spark plugs for each housing and to ignite the mixture, but an OTTO engine just uses one. And I personally would like to give a try to the WANKEL engine cars because I've just seen one on the road and I've never had the chance to test drive one of them, and I would like to see if it's like any different to an OTTO engine, because since there is no transition into linear motion and rotational motion, and it's like kind of direct, I would like to see how different it's from an OTTO engine. And as for a conclusion, an OTTO engine is more efficient than a WANKEL engine, is more durable, and is way more environmentally friendly. And on the other hand, a WANKEL engine is more compact, has way less moving parts, so it's less losses for working. It is smooth. I guess you can notice that when you're driving, and the power to weight ratio is way better than the OTTO engine. But it is true that it is really efficient because of what I mentioned before, the apex seals, which that is pretty much the reason why they are not used anymore, because they are not environmentally friendly, so they generate a lot of CO2 and bad emissions, and that's the main reason.